Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to explain to you how to schedule WebEx training for conducting a short-term course. For this, firstly, we need to go to the website cifritrial.webex.com and sign in. We will sign in using the email ID provided to us. And then we'll put the password. So once we sign in, we are signed in as host. It doesn't take much time, but my internet is a bit slow right now, so that's why it's taking time. So go to the left side and you'll find an option WebEx training. Go to WebEx training and schedule the training. On the left side again in host a session, you'll find the option schedule training. So this page will open up. Although there are lots of options here, but you need not fill all of them. I'll tell you what all is required. Firstly, you need to fill in the topic. For example, I keep it as STC on 8051 session 1. Let the password be as such. Do not touch these options. Select the conference type, let it be WebEx audio only. What is important is that you have to do the mute attendees upon entry. This is very important. And also the entry and exit tone should be kept as no tone. Then you select the time of the your training. Let it be May 4th, 7 p.m. Time zone, let it be as such. In the occurrence, you have various options. Either you can create a session every time or else you can create the multiple session course also. And in my case, I would give my own experience that I had created all the sessions at one time and all the links were sent to the participants. However, after every session, I used to get emails from the participant that please send us the link for the next session. So I'll give you an easy way out how you can just save this particular template once for this STC. And next time, whenever you create the next session, you don't have to fill all those things. Whatever you're filling right now will remain as such, and you just have to change the title as well as the timings. Rest of the things will remain as such. So for keeping the thing simple, we keep it as single session class. Okay. Then attendee registration also keep it unchecked. This is important how to invite the attendees. There are two options. One is you can create the distribution list. The second is you can send the session to yourself or the invitation to yourself, and then you can forward it to your participants. Creating a distribution list is a bit tricky. So I would suggest you can send the invitation to yourself and that email you can forward to your participants. It doesn't matter. So I'll just invite myself. For that, go to invite attendees. Type your name, your email ID. Rest of the things you need not do anything. Just add attendee. You will see my name has appeared here. Check it and send invite. So you can see here that my name has appeared here. Then similarly, you can invite your presenters or your experts also in a similar manner. That means every session you're creating, you can invite your expert for that particular session here in case you have. Do not do anything about these session options. Also, these let them be as such. Add the course material is again a very interesting feature. You need not create a separate classroom, Google Classroom. You can just add the course material here. In order to speed up the things, I have already uploaded my PPT here. So you can just select it or else you can go to choose file and upload. It takes a time. So I've already uploaded it and added. Again, it will take some time and my material will be added here. So you can see here, the file has appeared here. So during your session, your participants, they can go to the file and they can download it. Yeah, this is what I was telling you. So I have filled up all the things here. So suppose I want that when I come next time, I don't have to fill up all the things. I just have to make changes here like session 2 and timings. I have just to have make the changes. So what I can do is I can save this template. So save as template. There are certain templates which I've already added. So let me just name this as knitter and save. See, so your template is appearing here. So next time, whenever you schedule the training, the various templates will come. So you will know that, okay, this particular STC, I named it as knitter. So when you select it, all these things will come here itself. Okay. So I have filled it up and I schedule the training. Okay. So once your training has been scheduled, how you can see it? You can go to My WebEx. It's here actually. So I'll just go here. And in the My Meetings, it will show all the meetings. So you can see here that my meeting has been scheduled.